What's good, traders and traders? Y'all know it's dreycosting, back to you with another banger. Right now, we're gonna jump on the charts. Y'all know the vibe, you know how I operate. You might not see me like dropping like yo video back to back to back to back like that regarding the charts, because I drop videos based on how I trade. You get me? I don't take a ton of trades all the time. I wait on the right entry opportunities, you know, wait on the sniper opportunities to just like to enter trades and all of that. So I take from like 3 to 5 trades per month type of vibe. You get me? But when we go in those trades, we go extremely big. You understand? Because we've just been waiting and chilling, right? So let me show you where my headspace is at for Gbpjpy. Yeah, let's dive straight into it. Alright, so pretty bars. So GJ made a strong push up. So typically, majority of the time when I'm doing my videos, I'm giving it the buy type of move and all of that, right? So we had a 61% retracement here. Let me play it back in case you all forgot, right? Bam here, right, where it came back to the 61% retracement, and there was a potentially now it can go up to the negative 24%, which it did, and it actually went higher than that, right? So what are we looking at now? So we have a low here and we mark off the high. Yeah, so now we're looking for the same thing, but now we're going to try to catch the sells coming down now with Gbpjpy. Yeah, so potentially the first move we're looking to the 38%, another potential move we can come back down to the 61%, but it might not just drop all the way back here. It might just come back here, bam here, and then push off before come back here. You just really have to just take it in stages. So I would say that you can place on TP, come back here to the 24%, back to the 38%, right? Just chill and wait. So you want to see more bearish variations as you go down onto the lower time frame in order to sell. Don't just jump out like that. But as you can see where the buying pressure has been dying out the last couple of days. Yeah, so that give me an indication that here we're at a high. Yeah, we're at a high. We broke these highs and we're at a higher high. So potentially can come back here, create a higher low where you had some form of whole roof here, came back right here, being some floor to continue up, or I say potentially it can go deeper to come down to here. So from here to here, from here to here is around 200 pips or 250 pips, not bad. So potentially you can get somewhere like a 200 pip move or 150 pip move there about going down, right? So that's what I'm looking at to start off. So let's see if I can lock these. Now should I lock these? Let me take these off for a bit. Also, GJ can also continue up. Alright, that goes without saying. Alright, so you just have to be patient, right? Assess the bearish variations, you know, the head and shoulders, you know, the double top type of vibe. Let me drop time frame and see how we're looking. Alright, let me see how we stay on the H1. Alright, we're definitely looking top heavy right here. We're definitely looking top heavy type of vibe. Alright, you can see where we have some double top formation, bam right here. You know, just really being a lot of top heavy. So potentially, as I said, that we can fall. It don't must have to fall. So you want to use proper risk management, right? And just chill. Or you guys can play it safe. We want to play it safe, you can play it safe. Let me see this area right here. Alright, say around 215, 300 area, right? Somewhere around there. So you want to play it safe. Yeah, you don't just want to enter there like that. Yeah, you can also play it safe where you do some form of something like this, where you just bam, break here, come back, retest right here to continue down. So that can also be an option for you, where here is a consolidated here. You wait for it to break out and come back here and then continue down. So here now the old floor now returns new roofs. Okay, so you're looking something like this, right? old floor becomes new roof, right? And once you see that now, all you have to do now is just go down to the lower time frame, like 15 minutes to 5 minutes, wait for top rejections, wait for resistance to be formed. Bullish candle closure, bearish candle closure, wicks at the top. So once you've seen like a lot of top rejections here at this level, then potentially, right, the 215 300 era type of vibe, you get me? Then potentially, and remember it's not a number, it's an era, you get me? Then potentially you can look to continue down, right, all the way back down to the 213 600, 213 500 type of vibe. All right, so, or you can take profit as you see fit. So this is type of vibe I'm looking at GJ right now, and the reason why I'm looking at the charts like this is because, as I said, that the buying pressure seems to be like, yo, it's kind of dying out a bit, you know what I mean? So let's just see. All right, so once it comes here now, all right, once it comes back down to here now, then you know potential now. All you have to just wait on confirmation. Bearish candle closure, bullish candle closure, wicks at the bottom to continue up for the buyers. All right, but you can catch temporary sales down and then catch the buyers then back up. All right, you know the vibe. Straight balling, no stalling. Vibe. I'm out.